What's up everyone, Jake here, Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time it's of the NG Models JetBlue A321NEO in the ribbons tail, one of their newer releases. This was throwing it back from the March bunch, I believe. I think that's what, yeah, this should be the March hints. We're throwing it back to. Let's make sure. Well, technically it's the February, I think. Yeah, it's the February releases. So we had there was the two A321neos. I've got both. There's the streamers and this is the ribbons one. I've got both. For whatever reason, streamers one just hasn't showed up yet, but here's the ribbons one in front of us, named A Midsummer's Night Dream. I think that's pretty cool how they've actually, you know, got this like little label, like the mint, JetBlue Mint, and like the name of the aircraft on the box now. I think that's pretty cool. That's something newer that I see NG's doing, so I guess the other one, the streamers one, will have the same thing. So yeah, anyways, let's get right on into it. Here's the box and everything. Registration number 2142 Juliet. Looking very, very nice. Very excited to have another JetBlue A321NEO in the fleet. I've got, I think, one or two already, so good to have another one. Let's get right on into it. Card. Alright. Here we go. Looking good. Looking good. Alright, very nice. Don't see any issues, so that's always a fantastic sign. Alrighty. Oh, beautiful, guys. Here we have it. Here we have it. Looking fantastic. Beautiful. JetBlue A321NEO in the ribbons tail. Very, very nice. So we'll go ahead and get right on into it. Here's the cockpit area, looking very, very nice. The windows looking good. Good print there. And then A Midsummer's Night Dream right there. Little name. Some good details around the front there. Gear looking really nice. That slight tilt, I think it's almost tilted a little too much, but overall it's still good. There's good detail in the gear and everything. You've got the L1 door, the Wi-Fi sticker, and I can't tell, there's something else there, but some good detail right there. JetBlue titles, very, very nice. Just moving along. There's no second door here. You just have the two overwing exit markings. Got the engines here looking very, very nice. The LEAP engines looking fantastic. NG does a good job with these engines, looking really nice. Good size, good proportion, well mounted. The wings looking fantastic with the split or the sharklets looking very nice. Moving along, we got this aft sort of emergency exit here though. Oh no, let's focus on the winglet. There we go. And you got the Wi-Fi dome, you got the little antennas on the top and the bottom. Registration there, the American flag in A321NEO. And then I guess this would be L3, but the back main door. And then the beautiful ribbons tail, looking very, very nice with JetBlue on it. I think it looks fantastic. It's interesting how, like, you know, the designs, the tail designs and patterns have changed over the years. With some of these newer ones, you know, you got the ribbons, you got streamers, balloons, whatnot. I'm not gonna lie, I do miss a lot of those old ones. I wish, you know, JetBlue, I understand, you know, just moving forward, evolving, but I really wish they kept one of each tail because, you know, just for the sake of heritage, you know, so you could line them up. One day they could line them all up and do a pretty cool shoot with it, something like that, you know. But anyway, we're going to spin around here. We'll take a look from behind. Very nice mold. Obviously, the A321 mold by NG is fantastic. This is the updated one. and it's pretty good. This side, the only difference is you have the baggage doors on this side, and there's nothing else really. But a very nice model. I'm super excited to have this. Take a look head on there. Very, very nice. We'll take a look at the top-down view. Got the nice overwing exit markings on the wing, and the wing has some great detailing on it as well. We'll flip her underneath. No markings underneath, just the blue belly. Very nice. The gears looking good as well. So I'm very happy with that. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's gonna do it for this one. As I say, I was talking about the tails. I do wish that they could have continued to keep between the 320s and the 321s, you know, a little bit of a little bit of the past with one retro tail design. You know, like going back to dots or what's the other? There are so many that they could have gone back to. I can't even think of all of them, but there's so many like that they could have just, you know, kept one aircraft with it. I think would have been really cool. But I get it, you know, we're going forward. It's kind of sad though to even see like blueberries. I don't think blueberries even exist anymore. I think they've all been repainted, and you know, it's kind of sad because I like some of those ones. But anyway, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you did enjoy. I highly recommend this model if you can find it. And yeah, so if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.